Welcome to DreamHaven Ideas. Imagine stepping into your break's pathway and feeling instantly wrapped in warmth. The rich texture of weathered red bricks underfoot, soft lighting casting a golden glow, and comfortable seating inviting you to linger. This isn't just a backyard, it's your personal retreat, your cozy sanctuary, your peaceful escape from the world. Today, we're exploring over 100 brick landscaping ideas for 2026, featuring rustic farmhouse backyards and cozy luxury retreats. Whether you have a compact urban patio or a sprawling suburban yard, these inspiring concepts show how intentional brick design can transform your outdoor space into a beautiful retreat that feels both intimate and expansive. As we wander through these beautiful brick landscapes, notice how the most inviting spaces balance tradition with innovation. Classic herringbone patterns create visual rhythm, while precise basket weave designs showcase craftsmanship. Weathered bricks tell stories of time and character, while clean mortar lines offer contemporary elegance. You'll see how integrated lighting transforms brick spaces from daytime pathways into evening sanctuaries. Edison bulbs woven through pergolas cast a magical glow. Recessed LEDs highlight textures. Lanterns create intimate pools of light. These aren't just functional additions, they're design elements that extend the magic of your outdoor space well into the night. Materials tell a story too. Natural stone accents bring permanence and elegance. Reclaimed wood adds warmth and authenticity. Wicker and rattan furniture add texture and timeless appeal. And when combined with thoughtful plantings, tropical ferns for lushness, ornamental grasses for movement, climbing jasmine for fragrance, these elements create layers of beauty that feel intentional, not isolating. The magic lies in the details. Moss-filled joints that soften hard edges, copper edging that develops character over time, curved paths that invite exploration rather than demand efficiency. Smart irrigation systems hidden beneath keep border plantings lush. Every choice reflects intention, creating a brick landscape that doesn't just look beautiful, it feels like home. As you explore these ideas, I invite you to imagine which elements would make your brick landscape feel like home. Would you choose the romantic charm of a cottage-style brick path with climbing vines and vintage lighting? Or does your heart lean towards sleek, modern minimalism with clean brick lines and integrated smart features? Consider your lifestyle. Do you love entertaining? A wide brick pathway in classic patterns creates grand entrances for gatherings. Do you crave tranquility? A Zen-inspired stepping stone path through raked gravel promotes mindfulness with each step. Do you value sustainability? Reclaimed bricks and native plantings honor the environment while creating beauty. Think about the feeling you want to cultivate. Is it the nostalgic warmth of weathered brick underfoot, the cool elegance of natural stone accents, the organic simplicity of gravel bordered by ornamental grasses? Each of these visions is achievable through intentional brick design that balances aesthetics with function. If these brick landscaping ideas have inspired you to reimagine your outdoor space, we'd be grateful if you'd like this video and subscribe to DreamHaven Ideas. By joining our community, you'll receive weekly inspiration for creating beautiful, functional outdoor spaces that elevate your everyday life. We're here to help you design the brick landscape retreat you deserve. Now, settle in and enjoy this curated collection of brick landscaping inspiration. Let these images spark your creativity and show you how your dream rustic farmhouse backyard is closer than you think.